This tutorial will take you through the steps of building a single model with build and train a new model. Step 1. Training data. First, select your training data by using the Browse or Upload link. If you have already uploaded the training data onto the cloud, you can use the Browse link. If you have not uploaded the training data onto the cloud yet, use the Upload link. In this tutorial, we'll use the minced file as our training dataset. The minced dataset contains handwritten recognition data, which allow training of the computer to classify handwritten numbers. It has 576 features and 10 classes. We then select the file type as default, problem type as classification, and yes to apply scaling. As you can see, the first 10 rows of the training data are displayed. Click Next. Step 2. Attributes. In this step, you will need to specify your attributes. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll choose User Attributes. Click Next. Step 3. Test Method. This step allows you to select the testing method for your model. There are 4 test methods to choose from. The first choice splits the training data as training and testing with a certain percentage. You can select a predefined split ratio or specify your own training percentage. The second choice is n-fold cross-validation, and with this choice, you must specify the number of folds. The third choice is to select a separate file of testing data. For this, you must use either the Browse or Upload link to select the testing file. The last choice is to not test the model at this stage. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll choose the first choice, testing and training, with 80% training. Once you have decided on your test method and specified the applicable attributes, click Next. Step 4. Parameters. This step asks you to select a type of algorithm and specify the appropriate parameters. The penalty C parameter and number of steps will need to be specified regardless of which algorithm you select. You may click on the advanced link for your selected algorithm to further specify additional parameters. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll set the penalty C parameter from 900 to 1000 with 1 step. We'll use local model as our algorithm. We'll set the range of nearest neighbor from 100 to 200 in increments of 10. Click OK. You can edit selections from previous steps by clicking on the directory at the top of the page or by clicking on the back button. Once you are ready to build your model, click on Build Model. You will be asked to save your workflow file if you have not already done so. Click on Yes and input a project name and then a job name. Click OK. You will be shown where the results will be saved to. Click on Save. The system will notify you that the model building process has started. Click on OK to return to the main menu. You can now see the progress of your model in the Progress panel. After a job is completed, you can review the result on the main area. The heat map shows the parameter chosen and their respective performance. The Yottamine Predictive Platform automatically selects the best model for you and saves this model under the optimal model folder. You may also download the workflow file or the result file by clicking on either file and the download button. This concludes the Build and Train a New Model tutorial. Thank you.